Real estate investment appraisals, maximizing ROI through accurate valuations. Real estate investment is a high-stakes venture that requires strategic planning and analysis to achieve the best return on investment, ROI. In this post, we'll delve into the crucial aspects of real estate investment appraisals, including before/after repair value, rehab, highest and best use appraisals, and how they contribute to maximizing ROI. Before/after repair value, ARV. Before investing in a property, investors must estimate its potential value once it has been repaired or renovated. This is where the concept of ARV comes into play. ARV is the estimated value of a property after it has undergone repairs or renovations. Accurately estimating ARV is essential for determining the potential profit margin of an investment property. Rehab. Rehabbing involves buying a property in need of repairs and renovating it to improve its value. A successful rehab project can lead to substantial ROI, but it requires careful planning, accurate estimates, and expert execution. A professional real estate appraiser can provide a detailed rehab appraisal that includes a thorough assessment of the property's condition, market trends, and potential ARV. Highest and best use appraisals. A highest and best use appraisal determines the best use of a property based on its physical characteristics, location, and market trends. This appraisal helps investors determine the optimal use of a property, which can lead to the highest ROI. For example, a commercial property located in a prime location may have a higher value if it is converted into residential units. ROI. ROI is the ultimate goal of real estate investment. It is the ratio of the investment's net profit to the total investment cost. Maximizing ROI requires careful planning, accurate estimates, and efficient execution. Accurate valuations, such as before/after repair value, rehab appraisals, and highest and best use appraisals, play a crucial role in maximizing ROI by ensuring that investors make informed decisions based on reliable data. In conclusion, real estate investment appraisals are essential for maximizing ROI in real estate investment. Accurate valuations, such as before/after repair value, rehab appraisals, and highest and best use appraisals, help investors make informed decisions based on reliable data. By understanding these crucial aspects of real estate investment appraisals, investors can achieve their financial goals and build a successful real estate investment portfolio.